How to withdraw money on Temu. So basically, if you go to the use section and then go to credit balance, you can see here that you have some money. Now, if you want to get rid of this money and you want to withdraw this, you cannot do that because Temu doesn't allow you to withdraw your money to your bank account. You're gonna have to simply spend this money on Temu. So you're gonna have to simply browse Temu products, and then simply when you go to the checkout page, you're gonna have to simply use your balance. So as you can see, I have here my product, and then you can simply go and so you're gonna have to add multiple products as you can see here, and then when you go to the checkout page, you're gonna have to simply use your balance. So basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.